my god, it's just starting to rain a little bit, drizzle right now, but look how lively and pretty it's looking, and look behind me. So my favorite lip liners, I buy Anastasia, and they are right here. I'm looking for the color Parchment, and I hope they have it. So if they do, I'm gonna go ahead and get that one too. Alright, I'm gonna try the color Parchment because I don't have anything on my lips right now. So let me show you. Never use the same wand. Always use one of these disposables that they have it everywhere. And never double dip once you have it on your lips. It's just a little tip by an ex-employee of Sephora. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, tell me what do you guys think? I really like it. It kind of reminds me of Boldly Bare by MAC. I think it looks really nice. It's kind of like that dirty peachy color, which I really like. Trying to see if anyone is around here who can help me look for the color I'm looking for, because I looked in Dallas, they didn't have any, and I'm here in New York and they don't have any. The color actually looks really nice. Really like it. Alright, while I look for someone who can help me, I actually wanted to get this spray as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that spray. See if it really lasts my makeup, because I've heard so much about this spray. So let's see. Huda Beauty always have the best stuff, but I know I need her concealer, which I'm running low. Hopefully they have my color. Okay, luckily they do have my color, so I'm gonna pick that one, which is Sugar. Oh my god, the music is so loud. It's Sugar Biscuit. Also, I am kind of running low on my blush by Rare Beauty, and I love it so much that I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that. But currently I'm using Grace. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get Happy, which is a little bit pinker and it's dewy. Luckily they have it. Might as well grab it. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Okay, I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one and Happy. Alright, so I just tried new lip liners from Refy. Here's the color. On the top is Dusk. Alright, so here's a different shade. I think this is Dusk by Refy, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that one too. Alright, I think, yep, they have it. So I'm gonna grab that one. So, wow, hopefully this is new and not used. And Cameron's coming pretty soon here to pick me up. So let's see, I think I'm pretty much done. They didn't have Parchment, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one instead. No, that's okay. Thank you. Alright, so since I have a little bit of time before we go for dinner, I want to show you all the things that I got from Sephora. So the first thing that I got is Rare Beauty blush. I usually wear, the one I have is Grace, but I wanted a little bit more pinker than this one, so I ended up getting Happy for myself. And let me see, I do like this color. It's very similar to the one I already have. Oh my god, it's like the exact same. You can't even tell the difference, but I'm gonna do a little swatch to see if you can really, if there's a difference at all. So pretty. Okay, all right, let's do a little swatch here. So this one is Happy. Oh, and there's difference actually, never mind. So Happy is a little bit dewy, and Grace is from the matte collection. Where's my Grace? Oh, it's under me. And this one is Grace. So let me show you what this one looks like. Oh my gosh, how dirty it looks. All right, and this one is, yeah, so definitely you can see the difference. Grace, Yeah, for sure. Grace is a little bit pigmented, more on the pink side, and then Happy is dewy. Yeah, you can see that. Oh wow, this one blends beautiful. Yeah, you can see the difference. You see how Happy has a little glaze and Grace is very, very matte. Wow, let me show you this way. Wow, so here you can see the bottom one is Happy and the top one is Grace. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this purchase. And is going down, so I need to finish up pretty quickly. All right, so the next thing I got is Huda Beauty concealer. I was actually running low in Sugar Biscuit, so I end up getting that for myself. But yeah, I already have it on my face, so you can see what that looks like. Cameron, I'm almost done, okay? Okay, next, like in my earlier video, I did mention Refy lip liners, and this is a new shade. I got the one in Dusk. I mentioned about Taupe and Rosewood, and I have both of them. I really wanted to try this one, so I got in Dusk, which is my new favorite. It reminds me of Boldly Bare by MAC. It's like that dirty peachy color. Oh my gosh, packaging. All right, this is what it looks like. And here's the color. All right, let's see. I'm gonna do it right here. Yeah, it is so similar. And I did have it on. I'm just gonna overline it. Kamran, you like my lipstick?
Sunset?
You like my lip color?
I do.
Wow, we are gonna catch such a pretty sunset.